Ashwin, let us begin by telling to our viewers a very interesting tweet which has been done by Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan. He goes, I quote, these vaccines are a fitting tribute to our corona warriors. My heartfelt gratitude to all healthcare professionals and frontline workers for their exemplary efforts during these unprecedented times. Congratulations to the scientists and researchers for their untiring efforts. A very, emotional tweet also we can say, because we still remember that how during the initial days of the pandemic, it was Union Health Minister who was taking all meetings from morning till the night, late in the nights, and he was also briefing us as to how the India is fighting COVID-19. Many social distancing protocols, COVID protocols were also designed, and also guidelines released by the health ministry. So it is somewhere a very professional, very emotional tweet which is now coming in from Dr. Harsh Vardhan, and not only him but almost every ministry did its best so that people can fight the COVID-19. It was Prime Minister Narendra Modi who was himself leading the war fight against the COVID-19. We also saw lockdowns implementing. Many decisions were taken by the government, and during the pandemic times itself, Atmanirbhar Bharat the campaign was also launched. So looking at the journey which we have been through since the day one, we here at Republic also, we were also working tirelessly, following all the COVID protocols. So this is somewhere telling us as to how the fight has been, and now finally when DCGI comes out and gives approval to these two indigenous vaccine, is nothing but indeed a big tribute to the COVID warriors who not only fought against this pandemic, against this virus, but also many of them laid their lives while fighting for the people. So there are some important tributes, and also many people have laid their lives also while serving to the people. So if we talk about these two indigenous vaccines, what we are also learning is that after now dry run, very soon the government is expecting to roll out the vaccine, and what we are learning is that by the end of January or in the beginning week of February, there could be a rollout. DCGI has now said that these vaccines are absolutely safe, no need to worry. A thorough study has been done. For 2 days, subject experts committee members sat and they looked into the kind of data which was submitted to them, and after that itself, the approvals have been given by DCGI. So now we'll have to wait and watch as to how government is going to implement this big nod. Though almost every minister has come out and has congratulated every Indian on this indigenous vaccines which we have got. If we talk about the Serum Institute of India, it has got 70% efficacy, and it is also working in collaboration with Oxford, which is itself telling us as to how the indigenous
and that's what the Prime Minister also said, Piyush, that both these vaccines which have now been given approval for emergency use have been made in India. One in collaboration with Oxford AstraZeneca, and one, of course, in collaboration with the ICMR, the indigenous vaccine that we're all talking about. Also, DCGI making it extremely clear that due process has been followed, and these vaccines are 110% safe, and there's nothing to really